In a world where ingenuity meets nature's embrace, a visionary embarks on a remarkable DIY project, crafting a magnificent cabana from repurposed woods. With unwavering determination and a passion for sustainability, they breathe new life into forgotten timbers, fashioning a haven of tranquility where succulent plants dance in harmony. Each salvage board tells a tale of resilience and rebirth as they meticulously assemble the structure, weaving together a tapestry of recycled dreams. As sunlight peeks through the lattice walls, casting whimsical shadows on succulent filled nooks, this extraordinary creation becomes a testament to the limitless possibilities of imagination and the timeless beauty of nature. So step into this enchanting sanctuary where craftsmanship and botanical wonders unite. And let the magic of repurposed woods and succulent bliss transport you to a world unlike any other. Welcome to my oasis, my backyard DIY cabana decorated with succulent plants, the grand reveal. Enjoy!